G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. Today we're going to be giving you a run through of what you'll be receiving if you order a tunnel boot. It's the same items that you'll be receiving if you ordered the tunnel boot with tray, but for today's video we're going to do the tunnel boot. So this is everything that you're going to get if you order one online, and we're also going to give you a brief run through of how you would put one together. So firstly, obviously you've got your tunnel boot, you've got your pair of slides, you have your mounting feet, you have your grab handle and all your nuts and bolts to put it together. When it'll arrive to you, you'll see that you still have this film on. This is just the protective film that we use in the manufacturing process, but we leave it on just for our own in-house handling, and then handling when you receive it as well, just to help reduce any scratches that you're going to get on the bare alley. So what you've got is you would take your mounting feet, put them like here, like so. So everything being fabricated in-house is made to the suit Dunn Watson drawer slide. So you get your left-hand slide, which you put on the left, you get your right-hand slide, which you put on the right. That just makes it a lot easier if you pull the runners apart to know which goes back with which slide, because you don't want to mix them over. So as I said, everything's laser cut to suit our slides. So you'll note that all the holes nicely marry up. So it's very basic stuff when it comes to putting it together. You would simply pull the runner out all the way, and then you'll see here that it nice and easily exposes all the mounting holes. And it's pretty simple stuff. You'd just be putting the necessary nuts and bolts through all of those mounting holes. So you'd repeat that for both sides, which obviously gets you the unit sliding on its feet. You'll see that the mounting feet have pre-drilled holes as well. These are our recommended holes to help spread the load for install. However, being just a raw alley product, if you needed a hole somewhere else, you're quite welcome to just drill a hole through that to secure it to where you need it to. Otherwise, you've got some preset holes to make it nice and easy. With the handle, you'll notice that the fixings are concealed. So you just need to get something thin that can pop them open. You'll see you've got your mounting holes there. You would just peel this film all the way back, and then, as you'll see there, they just marry up as well. It's real simple stuff. You just simply run your nut and bolt, tighten it off, cap it over, which conceals the fixings again, tidying it up. So that's what that is. And then I'll just show you over here. This is a bit big for the bench. With the tunnel boot, once again, everything being laser cut, you'll see that everything marries up to a preset hole. So when it came to installing the tunnel boot, you would also just bring the unit out to full extension so that you can access these holes like so. And then they're all going to line up. You've even got an access window through the middle arm so that you can get through there with your Allen key to secure them as well. As I mentioned earlier, the process is identical if you get the smaller tunnel boot, because you have the tray system. Nothing's different. The runners are the same, the feet are the same, identical, just a different unit there. So there you have it, just a brief run through of how you would put together a tunnel boot. However, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or flick us an email.